Welcome back to the Average Mike Show. This is video number 2 of the quad giveaway build. Quad giveaway build. My son's video bombing me again. Yeah, this video we're putting the new back brake on it, doing a little bit of carburetor work, and hopefully we might be able to get this thing started. I got the wiring kind of figured out. If you remember the previous video, I was doing all kinds of crap with the wiring. Yeah, it's time to get onto this back brake here. Oh, I also have a really special announcement. You'll see a little bit later in the video. Yeah, here's the brake that came on it. And as you can see, it's kind of missing a pad. That's not going to stop much. So I went and got this one. Brand new one. That was a pretty penny and a whole bunch of ugly ones. Think it's gonna be 12 millimeter? Yep, perfect, okay. Now the new one didn't come with the bolts to hold it together, so I had to go back and get the old one to get the so I keep the bolts. There we go. Alright, brakes installed. Unfortunately, I don't have any brake fluid for this quad right now, so I can't do that part. So yeah, I guess it's time to get onto that carburetor. But first, a word from our sponsors. Oh hey, don't hit that skip button. Yeah, just want to take this moment to show you my first ever Android video game. It's called Shopping Cart Madness. I don't know if you can see it that well from there. Oh man, I'm still getting some glare from over there. So yeah, basically you're sitting in a shopping cart, a gas-powered shopping cart, riding up a beach, collecting beer bottles and trying to avoid big tires, mailboxes, fire hydrants, parking meters, and other various objects that, yeah, if you were to hit with a shopping cart, you'd have a really bad day. Let's see if we can play it up. Different speed levels. Yeah, because I'm kind of doing this backwards, I'll do it on 2. Yeah, just tap the screen to go to make a move from one side to the other. Oh, I already hit something. Yeah, the guy face plants in the windshield of a bus. Kind of a violent game over screen. I also got to give a shout out to my guys at GameProfits.co, because without them, I probably would have tossed my computer against the wall. So if you got a video game that you want to put out, be sure to get a hold of them guys if you're an amateur like me. If you guys could get me to 100,000 downloads, that would really be appreciated. I'll build one of these gas-powered shopping carts on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to give it away. And to one of my subscribers. So yeah, definitely check out my YouTube channel too. It's right about here. And don't forget Game Profit CO. Here it is. Yeah, now back to the show. Already in progress. For all you young DIYers out there, yeah, take off that air filter. Yes, that was the one from that first my first COVID-19 mask video. Yeah, take these bolts off of it. I'll put these up here for now so I don't lose them. Now something's going on with this because it seems to be flooding with gas, and you can only throttle it off of the choke as it is right now. So something's definitely going on in here. Now we got it out. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be working that as it should be. Let's see if I screwed something up in here. See if I can put this thing back together now. Hopefully that's more or less in the right position. Got the throttle thing figured out. Alright, now put these bolts back in. Get my hoses back on, get these hoses and the air filter back on it, and we're gonna see if this thing starts today. And what I had to do is run a wire from that starter solenoid, and so you can touch it directly to the battery. Okay, something's not right. I had it started a couple of weeks ago. Back to the drawing board. Alright, I guess that's going to be it for this video. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Actually, there's a smiley face with some broken teeth down over here somewhere. Look for it. Come on, there it is. Go ahead, click on it. Come on, you know you wanna. Like the video, mash that thumbs up for me. Did I forget to mention hit that share button? Oh yeah, there it is, right there. Come on, hit that share button. Come on, help me out here. Yeah, you got anything you want to see in some future videos? You got any suggestions? Go ahead and leave that in the comments. Till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.